Slack app on Linux. How to disable the blue circle icon on channel activity. When at work I want to disable the blue icon notification that happens when there's any activity in a channel that I'm in. Specifically, I don't want this notification from certain Slack teams. Is there a way to mute an entire Slack team so that I won't get that blue icon notification? Thanks.
I don't seem to have the setting that Sean mentions, but I was able to make this work by opening up the /user/lib/slack/app.asr.unpacked/src/static directory, making a copy of the Slack taskbar rest.ping file and renaming it to Slack taskbar unread.ping to overwrite the version with the blue dot. Of course, that gets rid of the blue dot for all teams, but that's what I wanted. Edit, the 28th of May 2019, idea is still correct, but for the newest Slack version, 3.4.2, on Ubuntu, 2 more files have to be replaced. The following worked for me.
The short answer is, you can't, without hacking Slack. The long answer is that exactly how to hack it will differ from one version to the next, as they update the source code. We should all team up and submit a feature request, or maybe this could even be considered a bug, it's clearly bugging people. Until then, this should be a community wiki, to prevent a new answer from being generated for each new Slack version. Add your scripts here, and clearly state the latest version on which it works, newest on top. .7.0. This is an improvement on Dimitri S.'s answer. Unreads in GT, 0 is replaced with false, so Slack should always think there are no unread messages. Replacement is done in all .js files, since the code seems to have been split up in the latest version. ASR is not run with super user privileges, which is useful for people using npm-g_nosudo. Prerequisites. ASR installed globally through npm install gsr. Script.
The newest version 4.1.2 doesn't read the echo file on Linux, and changes src to dist. Instead it builds a badge plus base. Luckily unread in GT, 0 is the check responsible for the badge and only appears once in the Minify.js, so it's easy to patch. You'll need the ASR tool to modify the Electron archive, npm install gsr.
Version 4.27.156. This is updated version of Dimitri's answer with the change of how the code is updated. Follow his answer for extracting and packing files using ASR. More elaborate but hopefully future-proof answer. You want to search for setraican function in the main.js file. In 4.27 it's named main.bundle.js. Look for code using the icon file, const o equals nt.resolve_dirname, resources, Slack taskbar $t.echo, in this case variable t is the status selecting the image. You want to add condition changing t to rest when it's unread. unminified result.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.